So the car we built was a 2019 Corolla Hatchback. You know, we're dealing with a car that no one's ever built before. So we had one of two pre-production cars that were here in the United States.
Yeah, I mean, we took, two of us took a brand new car, tore it down at basically just the bare sheet metal in about 6 hours.
Yeah, super dedicated team here at Papadakis Racing. We are a small team, but somehow we all blend together and know how to work with each other, how to help and be efficient with what we're doing. Steph's super goal through the years is trying to do and make everything in-house rather than outsourcing stuff just from things in the past, so you can have control over every piece that is built for the car. The roll cage, the seat mount, the steering column, the pedals, handbrake, all that type of stuff. And Steph was able to go and design all the billet suspension components. As
far as fabrication goes, there's nothing easy about making a front-wheel drive car rear-wheel drive, and especially staying within the rule book of Formula Drift.
So to convert this front-wheel drive car to rear-wheel drive, we have to, within our rules, modify the rear subframe to accept a differential for axles to go through it. Stefan had to build and design all the rear suspension so the rear wheels can turn under its power. We have to cut the middle of the car apart to put a tunnel for the transmission and the drive shaft. We build all the front suspension as well. We have to run hydraulic steering racks. We put a steering rack in the cross member, make all our mounts for that.
Frederick Osco here, and I just flew in from the Tokyo Auto Salon to check out the progress on certain new build. And I have to say, I'm pretty excited going from this Corolla IM that we ran in 2017 to this, the brand new 2018 Corolla currently being built by Papadakis Racing. So on paper, we should have an even more competitive car compared to last year. Needless to say, I'm really excited for Long Beach.
It's always funny when you can work with your friends, and John is one of my friends from the industry that we hadn't worked together before, and having him come on the project and design the body panels for the car and then work with TRD directly, it's another little point of this whole project that makes it so fun for everybody.
I'm an automotive artist. I design body kits, liveries, tuning concepts, anything automotive related I can do. Stefan Papadakis had all the measurements done prior to us meetings. And then from all those parameters, we then designed fender flares, the front and rear quarter panels, and the side skirts.
Our number one focus here at TRD has been NASCAR for several years now. The Formula Drift thing was pretty exciting when we first learned that we were going to get involved with it because, well, for starters, it's something new, it's something different, but also because it's such an interesting concept and unlike any of the other racing series that we've ever had any exposure to. You know, there's a competitive component to it, obviously, but there's also a style component to it that's just as important. And the idea was we would create the wide body kit that the race team needs to convert the street car into the race car. And as of now, it's mid-February, and we are designing and building this car, and it's going to see the track for the first time at Long Beach in April. That's something that's really exciting, and I think we're going to be really proud of the product that we produce.
gets the win. Kind of stuff that dreams are made of. This doesn't happen. You don't build something over the off season and work out the kinks at the first race and it pays off with a win. I think it's a win for me, but it's more a win for the team. You know, those guys have been working away tirelessly at the shop all winter, and here we are, top of the podium. Thank you.